Hello guys, welcome to our channel Your Tutorial Tech. In this video, I am going to tell you how to create an account on PayPal. First of all, open the app and click on sign up. Then add your email and add your phone number. Then create a strong password. After that, fill the form like your first name, middle name and last name. Then add your address lines. Then simply click on create account. If you want to add the debit card or credit card, then you can add it from here, or simply you can skip it. Through these easy steps you can create your PayPal account. If this video helped you, then make sure to hit like button and do subscribe for more videos. See you guys in the next video. Bye bye.